Look at the McDonald's, bro. The McDonald's that caught on fire, bro. Shit's crazy. That building is no more. I think they're gonna demolition the bitch. It's ugly for that building. You feel me? Well, another building that the fire took out. Yes, sir, ski. Another sad building, bro. Another sad building, bro. Gotta come back and wash my mama's car, bro. Well, tell you one thing though. My car is clean. And I got my car back out here, bro. So, we're all good, bro. My car is clean. I didn't show y'all it, but that bitch is clean. I still gotta clean the inside. I gotta vacuum the inside. But I'm gonna ask the homie for his vacuum because he got like a little car vacuum. So, I'm gonna use his. What the fuck? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Hold the phone, waiting. Bro, my day couldn't get any worse. They almost damn near towed my car today, bro. It's ugly. I gotta drive back and push my car into the garage, the whole nine, so I'm tired. Still up in Lancaster. In Lancaster waiting. Waiting for this hoe to come on. So yeah. Other than that, bro, I'm just chilling right now. Waiting for this nigga to come on. Supposedly his car is fixed, so we're gonna see. Well, the bitch is running, so it's all good. I guess he needs a tire to flate up, cause it's hot. Other than that, nigga just waiting, bro. Take that shit back. Waiting to see. Cause my car's already fixed. I gotta go get my new car fixed. So, just waiting, bro. Cause I gotta move my blue car into the garage today. So, yeah. Just chilling right now. finna see if his car gonna move. If not, he's finna go back to the house. Right, this was tired. I'm ready to go back to sleep. So I got it back down here. I washed it. Still looks dusty though, but it's all good though. I washed it. I'm finna see what's wrong with it. I got a lot of work to do to this car before a year is up. So I'm gonna get to work. But it's all right. I'm gonna fix this car up. Try to get rid of these damn scratch marks. I got most of it up. So, damn, bro. Let a fucking fix car, bro. I'm gonna fix the shit out this car too. Finna fix this one up. Finna fix this one too. Well, that one just needs an oil change. We finna do an oil change on this bitch. This one I'm finna fix. And I'm finna throw all the shit out of it. This one's already clean. I done cleaned this one out pretty much. It just got some stuff in there. Got the wood in there, and then a couple other things. Other than that, this car is clean. I cleaned this bitch out. So yeah, that car cleaned out. This one, I don't know, y'all. I might put this damn shit on there and say, fuck it. It don't even match, but it's silver. Oh my God. But where would you put this? Which way does it go? I'm trying to see which way it goes. Hold up. Where does this go? This bitch hot as a motherfucker. Wait a minute. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah, see? That bitch don't even fit, bro. How you gonna give me something that's longer than the trunk? What the fuck? I'm finna do an oil change for this car though. Cause now that the sun went down, as you can see, the sun went down. So I'm finna do an oil change on this one, cause this one has, it's still warm, but it ain't that warm, it ain't hot. And I got the tool I need to take that bitch off, so the tools are in this car, so we're gonna go ahead and grab the tools out of this motherfucker. I gotta get this window repainted, retinted too. So yeah, I got a lot of shit in this car, man. Old ass hats, old ass toys, old ass sandals. Old ass Freon on my mama. I'm gonna take this. Can you feel me? I need this. My air conditioner. We're gonna go ahead and get that. Homegirl Lamaya boots. Those are Lamaya's little hoe boots. You feel me? That's another story for another day. But yeah, we're gonna see what else is in here. Old ass P hat. Old ass Spider-Man toy. My dent puller. Oh yes, we. What else? Oh wait a minute. It looked like your boy found his tools. Well, some of them. You feel me? Pops, I miss you. Oh yeah. Here go majority of my bolts. My lug tools right here. Oh my granny. Give me these. Yeah, see? It came up. These I've been looking for. Oh my granny. Oh yeah, I found them. Oh, that's hot. Handbook. Oh yeah. 09 handbook. Your boy gonna need this, bro. On my granny. So I got literally a year and a half to get this car back up and running, bro. So I ain't even tripping, cause I just need to know where it's the engine part at. Other than that, I'm finna get this bitch right back up and running, bro. Ain't nothing really wrong with it. Oh, yep. Got my oil thing right here, bro. Swag. Gonna need that. What's this? What's this? What's this? That's Karina's book manual for her BMW. There's no point in having that no more. We don't need that. Found more tools. You feel me? Spark plugs. Oh, wait a minute. Old watch. What is this? Hyundai book. Oh yeah. The Hyundai booklet. Oh my granny. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my mama. Oh yeah. Finna get this car right, bro. Oh yeah, my handle, my booklet. Oh yeah, bro. Damn. My dent puller, bro. Yeah. It's ugly, bro. Let's see if this bitch even works. I guess I gotta wet it or something. Bose. Damn, bro. So it's all good. Found my booklet. A lot of this shit I'm finna throw the fuck away, bro. So yeah, I'm finna throw all this shit away. Shit going right in the trash. Right along with the other shit, bro. Oh my god. Shit getting tossed. But we gonna throw that away. I got some other shit I need to throw away. Finna go ahead. Do this oil change, bro. Finna do this oil change and get it out the way. You feel me? Then I'm gonna figure out what the hell is wrong with this one. I think something is dragging in the engine. I think the serpentine belt is dragging. So that's what I think it's doing. I think the serpentine belt is dragging. So we're gonna see what that's about. Cause I think that bitch is dragging. Oil. I need the oil. We're gonna go ahead and get this shit out the way. Oh yeah, this bitch is hot, bro. Fuck. Shit burning hot. Shit. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of this shit. I need this. And this. This bitch is hot, bro. Fuck. This shit burning hot. Gonna go ahead and get this shit over with. You feel me? Gonna knock this shit out real quick. Call it a day. Your boy's gonna throw all this shit away, bro.